Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. I'm not even gonna mention it. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness. There you go. Alright, so this month's topic is, well, I will soon tell you, Destination Fantastic. Alright, so let's start with the first product. The first thing is what actually was the preview from last month, so it's the Boom Boom Cream. The Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Oh my, hold on. Okay, oh Jesus Christ. Of course it's sealed. Actually, like, this thing is really tightening the appearance of skin. Not really sure, but I like the way that smells, and it's actually really fast absorbing. I just can never close this or open it, as you saw. No, it's not this. Wait, hold on. I swear I'm an adult, okay? I just cannot close this. But what the hell? I can't be bothered with this. See? Like, I usually have a lot of patience, but stuff like this, you know, when you try like 5 times already and it's not working. No. So this is the travel size and it's worth £11. The formula of this trending body cream is enriched with guarana extract, cupusao butter, acai oil, and coconut oil to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. Elevate your body care routine with the irresistible scent of iconic Cheirosa 62 fragrance, pistachio, salted caramel, and vanilla. The perfect holiday essential. You know what? I will not take this on holiday with me because I'm going to give it one last try. Maybe I need to find the right spot and then just twist it. No, we're not going to look at it anymore. No. So up next is this here, the Vela Professional Fusion Mask, Intense Repair Mask. I definitely will use this. Like, my scalp is very dry and itchy, but like it also gets very oily, as you can probably see. And then the ends, the lengths are okay, but the ends are dry. It's just a mess. Can I smell this? Oh, I have to crack this open. Oh god, I don't want to do that. Apply to damp hair, leave on for 5 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. I like instructions like that. Easy, to the point, everyone understands it. Alright, so this is the travel size as well, and it's worth £10. This 5-minute conditioning mask helps you repair damaged hair and protect against further breakage, leaving you with silky smooth locks. Formulated with the brand's Silk Steel Fusion technology, the nourishing mask leaves the hair feeling hydrated and satin soft. The brand's metal purifier complex helps you preserve the visible vibrancy and tone of dyed hair. So it actually has been a while since I dyed my hair. I will link the video in the card if you want to check it out. You can still see a bit of the like reddish color coming through, red pink come through, but it's not really there anymore. You know, but you can also use this on normal hair, not like non-dyed hair. So I'll definitely try that one out. Up next we have this. Wait, I think this is a this or that thing again. What I have is the Rhodial Papaya and Sim Scrub to brighten and renew with vitamin C. This feels half empty. Wait, hold on. I think it's here. What the hell? I mean, it's sealed, yes, but there's so much air. Yeah, you can probably see it. Look how much air is in there. There's not that much product in. Okay, so far, not that great of a box. So this is the travel size and it's worth £15. Infused with high-performance vitamin C and papaya extract, this gentle gel-to-oil exfoliator coats your face with skin-protecting antioxidants that promote a radiant complexion with a luminous glow. Perlite and jojoba beads, derived from volcanic extracts, help to even skin tone and texture, leaving you with softer-looking skin. I will have it sit for a bit and then I'll put the flashlight against it and you can see it's almost empty. Did we not have this before? We had this brand before, but I'm not sure if we had this exact product. This is the Lanolips 101 Ointment Multi-Balm in coconut. So it is 100% natural, 101 uses, hydrating, nourishing, super intense, a little tube of magic, an all-natural lanolin balm with coconut extract and vitamin E. A super dense balm that seals in moisture, multi-award-winning, hard-working, powerful, multitasking vegetarian. I will try it out on my lips, and if I don't like the taste, I'll use it on my skin. Mainly my eyebrows, my elbows, because they're dry. Oh my god, you see this thick paste? I really like the taste and smell of coconut. You have like that, it's like that artificial coconut scent, you know, like with the plastic coming through. Yeah, I don't like that on my lips, so I will probably use this on my elbows. I mean, the shine is nice, but it doesn't taste good at all. Bah, no. This is the full size, and it's worth £10. This multi-purpose 100% natural balm boasts a moisturizing blend to deeply hydrate your lips, cuticles, elbows, dry skin areas, and even insect bites. The balm delivers the antioxidant benefits of coconut oil and vitamin E to protect against harmful external stresses. Like, I'm sorry, but I have to take that off. The really thick texture combined with the strange taste and smell. Okay, I have 2 products left, and they are number 5 and 6. So we have the Espa body wash with bergamot and jasmine. Oh, this smells nice. This is nice. I didn't know Espa had a body wash. It's made in England and it's 75 milliliters. A soap-free body wash that gently yet effectively cleanses for beautiful, refreshed skin. Infused with a luxurious blend of pure essential oils, including bergamot and jasmine, to leave the skin delicately fragrant and beautifully soft. Oh, I might take that on vacation with me because it's like the perfect size and we're only going for a week. Okay, so this is the travel size and it's worth £6. Refresh and condition your skin with this soap-free body wash, infused with an uplifting blend of pure essential oils, including bergamot and jasmine. Kind to all skin types, the soap-free formula leaves your hands feeling supple and conditioned. Oh, wait, your hands? But it's a body wash. You know, sometimes I don't know who's writing these tags for LookFantastic, but so, I mean, look, if it leaves my hands soft, it might as well leave my body soft as well. Okay, now last but not least, cream that I will not use. It's been a bit of a pattern with LookFantastic recently. You always have a beauty tool in every box, and I have the things I need, right? I have a lot of brushes. I don't even use a lash curler. I have tweezers that I use. I have everything. I don't use makeup sponges. Natural Sea Sponge by Hydrea. Okay, enhance your beauty rituals with our luxurious, silky, soft, natural sea sponges. Ideal for applying cosmetics for flawless and long-lasting results, for deep cleansing, especially for those hard-to-reach areas around the eyes and nose, and gentle exfoliation, which can help smooth fine lines and leave skin glowing. As this is a 100% natural product, it may contain small traces of ocean debris. Please check before first use. It's certified by the Ministry of Fisheries and biodegradable, organic, and 100% natural. It's also a gentle exfoliation, not the coarse one, really. Like, it's nice, but I will not use this. So I will definitely give it away. Full size and £7.50. Enhance your beauty rituals with this luxurious silky sponge sourced from the Mediterranean Sea. Ideal for applying cosmetics for flawless and long-lasting results. For deep cleansing, especially for those hot-to-reach areas around the eyes and nose. Gentle exfoliation, which can help smooth the look of fine lines and leave skin glowing. They literally just copy-pasted this. Oh, okay. Copy-paste. That was everything that was in the box. My lips are dry now from this thing. I'm just saying. They're dry. I mean, I really enjoy this one. I like the smell of that. I'm just sick and tired of the packaging. This, oh yeah, hold on. I mean, there's a bit on the sides. I don't know how well you can see it. There's not that much in. It's okay. It's not the best. Like, I wish they would just stop with the beauty tools. Because, like, honestly, how many people, I'm going to generalize this right now, right? But how many people open this box and be like, oh yes, a natural sea sponge. I want to get one for ages. I'm so excited to use this. Same with the 15th makeup sponge that you get in the box. Like, it's always the same thing. I would have beauty products and makeup for change. But yeah, like, it's okay. And I can see how this is a summer box. This is very fresh smelling. This is apparently toning your body. Vitamin C is always good. You know, like, it's prepping you for summer. And I get that, but it's not that great, in my opinion. Alright, so then we also have an article about the Boom Boom Cream. All the benefits that is in there, all the oils and butter. Repair your hair with Vela. Vela is such a good brand. Like, it has been around for ages. And whenever you go to the hairdresser, they usually have Vela products, usually. Yeah, so what it is and what it does. Vitamin C. Is vitamin C for me as a pharmacist? Holiday prep. Oh, like, Ella, you poor little thing. You had to use this as a lip balm. Maybe it worked for them, but I love a hydrating lip balm, and it's a bonus that it doubles up as a product to tame my baby hairs or stick down my flyaways. This balm coats my lips with long-lasting nourishment. I mean, you can be happy I'm not working there because you would get my opinion on it. Look, I'm happy it works for the people, but my lips are so dry. And then you have people trying out the rest of the products. They have a luxury beauty edit. that is apparently would, including salads, vitamin B serum would 90 pounds alone. You have what brands you have in the Murad, YSL, Clear the Pore. The rest I can read. A luxury box if you want to have it. And then what's coming in June? Sneak peek, Powder Puff Duos. I kid you not, I recently, and by recently I mean like two months ago, I sold some other Powder Puffs that I had in this box. See, this is what I mean, like, do you really need to get beauty tools every single box? How should I say, like, LookFantastic is making it that it's, like, you have a big span from the last, what is this, Puff Duos to these, you know, next month. But how many of those do you actually need? Like, the last one that we had was also a duo, so I had 2 already. Maybe you had some more in your stash already, so you had 2, and now you get another 2. They're reusable as well, right? You wash them. Even the washing machine, it cannot destroy those in one use. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, you have them for a while, even with the washing machine. And now you get an additional 2. Yes, you can give them away, but it would be better to have something you can actually use. And I'm not, like, makeup, for example, is very difficult, right? You cannot put a foundation in because not everyone has the same skin tone and same undertone. You can find ways. You don't always have to put a beauty tool in. And we get another one. God. So that was everything that was in the box. It's you know, it's done. If this goes on, if this theme goes on, that you get beauty tools every single month, might have to cancel it because I'm not using it. You know, I just told you that I sold the other Powder Puff Duo that we had. I will probably sell that one that we get next month. We'll sell this one too. Yeah, I know that there are a lot of people that might enjoy these, but I feel like there's not a lot of people that be like, oh, yes, the Powder Puff Duos. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Oh, let me know if you have any of these products, including the sponge. I mean, Boom Boom Cream probably a lot of people had before, but any of these products, let me know. And yeah, I see you next video.